Welcome to Neil's World. In this video, you will learn how to remove the background from your images. For this, we will use the Creative Cloud app from Adobe, which is a free to download app from the Play Store. Once you download the app, you need to sign up for a free account, or if you already have an account, you can log into the account. Once you log in, you need to upload your image from which you need to remove the background to the Adobe Cloud. The free account provides you 2 GB of cloud storage in the Adobe Cloud. So once you uploaded the image, select the image and go to the bottom right corner, and from among the options select the remove background option. So it takes some time to process. I'm doing it real time so you can understand how much time it takes for the processing. So let us wait for some time till the processing of this image background removal completes. Now the background has been removed from this image. So you can see that my image is now a transparent image. So you can save as by hitting the save as option. It will be saved to the Adobe Cloud and you will have one more copy of your original picture where the background is removed. So once you have the image, you can share the image and you can export it to different programs to use for other projects. So you can export the image as PNG file where the transparency or the transparent background will be preserved. So this is a very useful app which does not limit you with resolution, unlike many other free to use applications or services where you have some limitations in resolution while removing the background. I hope this video is useful to you. If you found some value, please consider subscribing or hitting the like button. Thank you very much, and please do watch my other videos for more such tutorials.